Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone in the universe? Throughout history, countless people from all walks of life have reported strange unexplainable sightings in the skies, mysterious lights, unusual shapes, and objects moving in ways and speeds that defy the general laws of physics by leaps and bounds. And today, we will dive into some of the most baffling UFO sightings ever recorded, footages that raise more questions than answers. Are these sightings proof of extraterrestrial visitors, or is there a more earthly explanation? Welcome to Lab 360, it's time to explore. Number 1, multiplying UFOs seen in England. Being the hotspot for crop circles in the world, it comes as no surprise that multiple UFOs are spotted all over England. This particular sighting took place in Warminster, England, which is about 100 miles from London. A passenger was sitting in his parked car when he suddenly noticed something abnormal flying in the sky. Initially, he thought it's just a couple of helicopters surveying the area, but soon he realized they were something else. On zooming in, he was shocked to see two bright orbs moving equidistant from each other, in perfect synchronized fashion. The two orbs then continued moving forward, and got hidden by the hill in front of them. But instead of appearing on the other side of the hill, they didn't, but they were visible a few seconds later, implying that they were using some kind of cloaking technology to hide themselves from humans. And what the eyewitness saw after this literally made his jaw drop. These two UFOs then split into 5 smaller orbs, further bewildering onlookers. And not just that, they continued flying around the hill, performing coordinated maneuvers, like fighter jets at an air show. How can two UFOs suddenly split into 5? Or were the remaining 3 UFOs just playing invisible all this time? Number 2, fast-moving UFO seen by a drone. UFOs are normally seen at night, as most of them emit bright lights. But some people are fortunate enough to see UFOs even in broad daylight. Like this sighting that took place in Plymouth, Wisconsin in 2017. An amateur photographer and drone enthusiast was ready to take advantage of the stormy weather to record its video. He wanted to get a few shots of the lightning, very close to the stormy clouds, and for that he decided to use a drone. But his drone ended up capturing something that left him utterly confused. At first, it seems like a normal stationary farmland shot, but then out of nowhere, a white orb just suddenly zooms past the camera, with lightning speed. No man-made craft can move so fast, and at that time, the photographer's drone was the only one flying in the sky. The white orb moving so quickly out of sight very much resembles the orb seen in Ibiza, Spain this year. That white orb also was tiny in size, but sped away at thousands of miles per hour. Here is the other side of the shot, where you can clearly see the orb moving away rapidly. The photographer once again captured the white orb, this time having a weird wave-like motion, and appearing as if it descended from the cloud. What must be the purpose of such tiny orbs in our sky? Or are these tiny orbs mere weather-manipulating devices? Number 3, cigar-shaped UFO seen over wildfire in Los Angeles. Wildfires are one of the worst calamities to ever strike mankind. They often cause loss and damage of property, amounting to millions of dollars, and in worst cases even claim lives. People are often safely evacuated before the fire reaches them. But the horrid Woolsey fire of 2018 supposedly caught the attention of beings from another world. In November 2018, a massive wildfire broke out in Woolsey, California. The fire burned 96,949 acres of land, destroyed 1,643 structures, killed 3 people, and prompted the evacuation of more than 295,000 people. News channels from all over America were reporting the incident. and one local news channel chopper tried to get as close as possible to the forest wildfires. But as the news channel was recording its chopper flying over the wildfire, viewers noticed something very eerie hovering in the sky. A very faint, black, cigar-shaped UFO was seen hovering right over the massive smoke cloud. The UFO moved very slowly, but it was distinctly visible because of the clear blue background. This UFO closely resembled the black disc-shaped UFO seen in Florida in 2021. This similar-looking UFO was stationary throughout the entire duration of the recording. But going back to the wildfire UFO, why was it flying over such an area of great devastation? Was it trying to help the people or animals still stuck in the wildfire? Number 4. Bizarre UFO seen near airplane over Aegean Sea. UFOs seen at extremely high altitudes by pilots is somewhat of a common occurrence. From a UFO about to collide with a commercial airplane, to a metallic cube seen by an airline pilot in Colombia, aliens don't seem to be shy when it comes to making an appearance in front of man-made aircrafts. And this pattern continued in 2018 near Greece. A passenger aboard a plane flying over the Aegean Sea captured footage of a strange object flying alongside the aircraft. The object executed several maneuvers that appeared impossible for any known aircraft to perform. Once again, this aircraft had an elongated cigar shape, but this time around, it kept rotating from right to left, at one point of time even becoming perpendicular, thus perplexing all the passengers on that flight. And later it moved far away, leaving a trail of black smoke. Was this an actual UFO, or some kind of advanced military tech considering it left black contrails? UFO sightings continue to spark curiosity and debate, leaving us with more questions than answers. While some believe these mysterious objects provide glimpses into extraterrestrial life, others think they may be secret advanced military technology. But what are your thoughts? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest revelations in space exploration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.